In this lesson, we will solve two 3-digit addition problems in 3 different, easy-to-visualize ways. We will use expanded form, the standard vertical algorithm, and a number line model. Along the way, we will connect every step to place value, so you can see exactly why each method works. Here is our plan. First, we will warm up with place value. Then we will solve our first problem, 529 plus 1,000, in 3 different ways. Next, we will solve a second problem, 852 plus 1,000, again in the same 3 ways to build fluency. Finally, we will do 2 lightning practice challenges with expanded form. Warm up. Remember, any whole number can be written by thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 9 makes 1,529. Watch as we place the digits. 1 in the thousands, 5 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, and 9 in the ones. Example A. We will add 529 plus 1,000. We will solve this 3 ways: expanded form, vertical algorithm, and a number line. Method 1. Expanded form. Think of 529 as 500 plus 20 plus 9. 1,000 is simply 1,000. If we combine them, we are adding 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 9, and that totals to 1,529. Notice nothing needs to regroup because the ones, tens, and hundreds stay within their places, and we simply have 1 extra 1,000. Method 2, the standard vertical algorithm. We align the numbers by place value: ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and thousands under thousands. Starting at the ones column, 9 plus 0 is 9. In the tens column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the thousands column, 0 plus 1 is 1. The result is 1,529. Method 3, number line. Start at 529 and jump forward by 1,000. A 1,000 jump simply lands at 529 plus 1,000, which is 1,529. Big jumps like 1,000 are very easy to visualize on a number line. Example B. Now, let's add 852 plus 1,000. We will again use our 3 methods to reinforce the idea. Method 1, expanded form. 852 is 800 plus 50 plus 2, and 1,000 is 1,000. Add them together as 1,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 2. That equals 1,852. You can see the connection to this context line. 2 plus 50 plus 800 plus 1,000 equals 1,852. Method 2, vertical algorithm. Line up the digits and add down each column. 2 plus 0 is 2 in the ones. 5 plus 0 is 5 in the tens. 8 plus 0 is 8 in the hundreds. 0 plus 1 is 1 in the thousands. There is no carrying needed, and we read 1,852. Method 3, number line again. We begin at 852 and jump 1,000 to the right. That lands at 1,852. When you add a clean 1,000, the thousands digit increases by 1 and the other digits stay the same. Lightning practice. Let's evaluate 2 expanded form sums quickly. First, 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3. Add the thousands first, 61,000. Then add 800 to get 61,800. Then add 50 to get 61,850. And finally add 3 to reach 61,853. So, 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3 equals 61,853. Second, 54 plus 63,000 plus 100. Add 63,000 and 100 to make 63,100. Then add 54 to get 63,154. So, 54 plus 63,000 plus 100 equals 63,154. Recap. We solved 2 3-digit additions in 3 ways. 1. Expanded form to see place value clearly. 2. The standard vertical algorithm for fast and reliable computation. 3. A number line model for an intuitive picture of what adding 1,000 does. Across all 3, the idea is the same. Keep ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and thousands with thousands. This place value structure makes addition make sense. Great work today. Keep practicing by making your own expanded forms and checking your answers with the vertical algorithm or a quick number line sketch. See you next time.